viewers, today I want to show you how to make biryani in a very simple way. First of all, you have to cut onion and tomato, and then you fry them shortly. I will show you how. Yeah, so I've already cut some tomatoes and onions, and now I'm frying them shortly. They are ready now. So what I will do, I will add rice to it. I will add this rice to it. This is basmati rice. One full packet. I will reduce the heat. This is biryani without anything. If you like, before you add the rice, you can cut meat and also fry. It can either be beef or chicken or any kind of meat that you like. You let it fry for some minutes, like 2-3 minutes. And if possible, turn as many times as possible. Okay, looks nice. So what I will do, actually I wanted to add some meat to it, but I've forgotten. The meat is ready, and there's no harm. I can add it, fry them together. This is chicken meat. You know how African people love chicken. I will add this chicken to the rice. Okay, I've added the meat, which in this case is chicken, to the rice. and fry them together. And separately you can boil some water which you will later add to it. My water is now ready and I can add it to the mixture. Normally we have extra or special spices for biryani or pilau. Here in Germany you can get them in Afro shop, but in this case I have already ready-made spice that I'm going to use to make it, to turn it into biryani. I like it because you save a lot of time when you use it. I'm adding it. After adding it, I have to stir. Don't forget to add some salt. And you remember this is rice. Normally the ratio of rice to water is 1:2, so that it has at the end of it all, when it's ready, it's not so hard or so soft. The ratio is 1:2, rice to water. So after doing this, I will reduce the heat and let it cook, and later I will show you the product, the end product. I will cover it and let it cook for some minutes. This portion is enough for around 5 to 6 people, but for somebody like Ugali Man, this is only appetizer. This is nothing.
Hizi shida za asubuhi, kukosa chakula asubuhi sifani. This is mad. Ukifika mahali mwenye msimu kama mimi, naamka asubuhi nakosa ugali na chai na unachiita pipi, hapo na umevuka mapaka. No, hapana, sipendi. Mrondo yangu ndo mnamwagia maji. Hizi mtakula.
Sana tu ndio surprise.
Isia mataka ina sukari, imaji sia potaka itoshi ukali. Ichai sia mataka ina sukari, imaji sia potaka itoshi ukali. Supaketi ni ujinga inakali. mchele inapaswa kulambwa, twist kinywaji ya mgonjwa, pudding mini mtoto, ruti weke machachai, amulambwe coffee size, isi ni kasapotaji, unanyalipia appetite. Sasa unaleta umang'aa, ati salad mimi ni ng'ombe, chips nili kidogo, mesa ina chai ya kinoo, tomato sauce ya kukunywa, easy food underdose, baby this is wrong. Hakuna ugali. How? Tangu jana nikiwacha pesa ya kisasa.
Hello viewers,
mimi narudi nyumbani napata
my biryani is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Get ready for more videos on my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you.